Welcome once again, and let's talk about Shibadoge coin. Now remember, about 1.1 million coins was actually developed, was launched last year, and a lot of people actually lost a lot of money because some of these coins are scam. Now people keep asking question, is Shibadoge a scam? Remember last year Shibadoge was increasing, was just going up and down, and the market cap was going up and down. Remember, Ethereum Wells also invested and bought Shibadoge coin worth about $7.2 million, and within the space of 2-3 weeks, Wells decided to sell off their coins. Now, Shibadoge, to me, to answer the question if Shibadoge is a scam, I won't be saying yes or no, but I will give you statistics that prove, for me, from my own opinion, that this is not a scam. Now, Shibadoge have been listed by 6 crypto exchanges. When we talk about the BKEX, okay, BKEX have listed Shibadoge, Uniswap have listed Shibadoge, Hotbit have listed Shibadoge, IndoEX have listed Shibadoge, and of course, Shibadoge is going to get more listening. And recently, just recently, Bitmart Exchange listed Shibadoge. Shibadoge, when you take a look at their development plans, they are really working hard. The developers have a better project. From when I visited their website, following them up on Twitter, I think they have a better plan. I love the way they have been planning. From their roadmap stage 1, they were able to achieve a lot. From their stage 2, they also achieved. Now they are on their stage 3, which I believe very soon we might be seeing exchanges like Crypto.com, exchanges like Bank, exchanges like Get.io might be listing this coin. So Shibadoge, for me, saying this coin, if it's a scam or not, I don't think Shibadoge is a scam, because Shibadoge is also on Binance watch list. Shibadoge is on Coinbase watch list, and the developers, they openly follow up the community. They are open to so many things they are doing. Even if you want to know more about Shibadoge, you will visit their website. You will see everything they are doing is being documented, being listed. So the only thing I think Shibadoge needs right now is to burn and destroy a lot of some of their coins they are actually having. Now, when you take a look at Shibadoge top holder, that's one of the most important things to check about coins. You see that the majority of Shibadoge holders, I think the people that are holding more coins are bigger than those that control it. There are some coins you will see that 90% of these coins is being held by just 3 people, sometimes by 5 people. So imagine that this particular coin, 90% of the coins belongs to just 5 people. That simply means the remaining 10% belongs to the thousands that owns their wallet that actually holding that coin. Now, if these 5 people decide to sell off their coin, if they decide to pull off, that coin is going to crash. Okay, so that's one thing you need to understand about some coins. I love to buy coins that, even though the top holders, coins that the top 10 holders are not holding over 10% of that coin. That is, the 90% of the coins is being held by the masses, and while the 10% is being held by the top 10, which I know the top 10, most of them are part of the developers, part of the founders of such coin. Okay, so let's keep hoping to see that most of Shibadoge holders will be holding their coin for a very long period of time. Now the market cap is trading at $35.6 million. I'm hoping to see the market cap hitting $50 or $100 million before the end of this year. Now, Shibadoge believe they are the new Shiba Inu. Wow. And if this coin can delete 5 zeros, your $10 investment might be giving you over $1 million. That is a lot of money. But it's not easy, because one thing that is holding this coin back is the number of supply they have. The supply is much, and I believe if they can burn these coins, these huge coins they have over quadrillions of Shibadoge. Now, if you are buying Shibadoge worth of $20, it's called that you'll be having quadrillions of Shibadoge coins. That is a lot. So I believe they need to really work hard in the area of destroying these coins. it still have 16 zeros at the time of recording this. So deleting 1, 2, 3, you're already making money. 100,000% increase in price. That's amazing. That's a lot of money. So increasing 1 million percent, 5 million percent, 10 million percent is possible, but let's keep hoping for the best. Remember, this is not a financial advice, so please do your own research before taking any decision.